Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove drawers from a crate and barrel furniture piece. So on the screen is a 2-drawer pocket desk which has the same mechanism to most of the furnitures from crate and barrel. So follow these steps. First, fully extend the drawer until you can see the drawer glides on both sides. So here are the glides, glide A and glide B. Look for the plastic tabs. There's one on the left and one on the right. So here are the plastic tabs, the one with the notch. Apply even pressure by lifting the left tab while pressing down on the right tab at the same time. Once released, carefully slide the drawer out of the unit. If the drawer doesn't come out smoothly, check that both tabs are fully engaged. So if you're still having problems, make sure to contact their customer service. You can chat with them at their website, crateandbarrel.com, or you can call this number and text this number. Make sure to follow their business hours, and basically that's it.